for you for Slime Rancher, but apparently the record button didn't work. Meaning we forgot to push record. So, my bad. And one of our goals today is that we're going to help Thora today. She wants 1 hunter slime and 10 fairy slimes. Or, Phosphor slimes! I knew that! You're probably wondering why the chickens. Our goal today is to transport these chickens to a very hungry slime. And I mean, he's hungry. Look at him. That is one big kitty. Here we go. Is he gonna pop? Oh! That's a kitty!
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run.
I'm so sorry! Look away, kids! What is that? What is that? I guess that's later? Oh. This is where we were earlier. So, let's open it up. Oh, are there any slimes? Are there any slimes? Something. I mean, it's great, more space, but another note. Oh wow! Now that's really pretty. Oh, wait. A view of the sea really reminds you of our greater purpose, Beatrix. The sea was the first great unknown, and then space, and then whatever is beyond all that. That needs to see what's around the next corner is in my bones. And since you're out here, I reckon it's in yours too. Though I suppose you could also be out here because you like the fresh air, or you prefer the untamed beauty of this land, or maybe it's because you're looking to leave something far behind you. Sure is the way to do it. Doesn't get much farther than this. Why did I leave home? Oh. What good is a jetpack if it constantly runs out of fuel? Just a tiny pet peeve, nothing serious. I do have to say, I never get tired of this place. I could let the kitties out here. Yeah. Bye, kitties. Hope you have a long life. Have you ever been in love, Beatrix? Makes you feel all achy inside like a day after your soul's been to the gym. That's the best way I can describe it anyway. It also realigns your thinking to something you swear is downright alien. I'm sorry. It's funny that he says that because technically these slimes are aliens because they're from space. And then again, this is their home planet, so we're the aliens, technically. Yay or nay, Blitz? Where was I? I guess that works. Okay. So, that mission didn't go well. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to do maintenance. I'm trying to sum up as much as I can to update what's been happening back to base. Well, as you all know, each of us has our own day jobs, but it's getting a little harder because around the holidays, for some odd reason, and you can let us know if you've experienced this, they tend to cut hours. That's what's starting to happen for some of us. Not all of us, of course. I mean, Scarlett's fine, and I'm not exactly sure what Wallace does for a living. I never asked. But, we've been kind of sporadic with videos, and I know that. I guess my best way to sum that up is life has a way of getting away from us. Not in a bad sense or anything, but it's hard to keep track of things when you need to take care of your own responsibilities. And you guys have been super patient, and we're all very appreciative that any of you have stuck around for this long. So for that, we really do thank you. Let's see. For Blitz, I know he's been really worried about the channel. And I know he's gonna edit this later, but if you all could give us a thumbs up, I know that would mean the world to him. Especially since he started doing his kooky editing. And I know you'll probably make a face when I say that, but you know, you can't really not smile when you see something like that. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. There was a time where we had to be really careful. There were some fires in the area. We weren't sure if we had to evacuate or not. Technically, we're still kind of in the not as strenuous though. There we go. That one was really nice. Sorry it took us so long to get us on track. With work and the holidays coming around the corner, especially for a lot of our families, and possible evacuation from our home. And for that, thank you for your patience again. I know I've already said this. I tend to get a little scatterbrained. But overall, things are looking a lot better. But for this playthrough, we're gonna keep trying. There we go. I don't really know what else to say. In my other playthroughs, I know I have a tendency to just word vomit. Which isn't exactly the nicest thing. I'm not as put together as Warhorse or Blitz, because they've done this longer. I can commentate of what they say, but it's a little harder when trying to think of things to say myself. And they're probably going to say I'm just fine. They always say I'm just fine, but I feel like I can always do better. Or I should do better. And that's why I'm here, I guess. Be better today and tomorrow. And of course the voice of the future. So I had a few questions for you guys. Moving on. Do you like our Let's Plays? I mean, of course you do, you're here. But I mean, I'll have to look that up. Or right there. Well, that tells me what I need to know. Great. Like, do you like the games that we're playing? Is there maybe a request that one of you has? I mean, I know Slime Rancher was something that I was always technically into, but ever since I first heard about it from Blitz, because he played it, I really wanted to play it. Other than that, what do you guys think? Do you like my playthroughs, or Scarlet's, or Warhorse the best? Or, I mean, I shouldn't say the best. I mean, we're all pretty good, but, you know, just, I'd like to hear from you guys. And yes, it is true, if you've heard anything about this, I guess, we do have a Patreon. So, let's check on the chickens. I know it wasn't much for today. I kind of failed. But, just a little bit. Let's see what these chickens do. Well, as I'm putting these guys away, well, just let us know if there's anything we can change or do better. Heck, even game suggestions will be nice. Just let us know down in the comments below. And, oops. Okay. That way we can make more. We'll be here. Is a good kitty. Omnivores, I'm pretty sure. Oh! I don't remember doing all that, but thank you! We'll get more achievements in the next episode. This is Ruby, and I hope you guys had fun. Bye-bye!
Pull my heart out of my chest.
Oh! Upgrades! Are there upgrades? Yay! Upgrades! On this, and this, and this. Okay, bye!
Pull my heart out of my chest. Free my mind so I'll forget. Sink your teeth into my bones. Take me out.